So, what's a Chromebook? Chromebooks are powerfully simple laptops that are easy, fast, and secure. They run Chrome OS, an operating system made by Google. It only takes a few seconds to boot up a Chromebook. And virus protection is built in, so you don't have to deal with this ever again. Nice! And that's a Chromebook.
Acer Chromebook Spin 311 Convertible Laptop, Intel Celeron N4000, 11.6-inch HD Touch Corning Gorilla Glass Display, 4GB LPDDR4 64GB eMMC, Intel 802.11ac Gigabit Wi-Fi 5, Chrome OS CP311-2HC7QD. 360 degrees of versatility. The stylish Chromebook Spin 311 easily transforms into anything you need it to be, thanks to its versatile, 360 degrees hinge that lets you rotate it to any angle to create a notebook, stand-up display, tent, or tablet. This super cool functionality allows you to take it anywhere and use it everywhere. The awesome features on this touch Chromebook with HD display include a wide-angle view webcam, supporting HDR imaging, that enhances face-to-face chats and video conference experiences. All-day battery life. Your device stays at your side all day with up to 10 hours of battery life. Effortless mobility. At just 0.79 inches thin and weighing 2.62 pounds, this Chromebook is smaller than a sheet of A4 paper. Future-proof processing. Low power usage and responsive software are provided by the latest Intel processor. Touch experience. Watch what you love in all its clarity with detail and saturated colors from edge to edge, thanks to the 11.6-inch HD display with IPS technology. Touch, swipe and scroll on the durable damage-resistant antimicrobial Corning Gorilla Glass touchscreen. The power of wireless. A strong, consistent wireless signal is provided by Intel Gigabit Wi-Fi 5 and the strategically placed 802.11ac wireless antenna with 2x2 eMMC. eMMC, multi-user multiple input and multiple output, is a standard that offers faster wireless speeds and can handle more wireless devices at once. Flexible connectivity. 2 USB Type-C ports for ultra-quick data transfer, video streaming, and battery charging. The reversible USB 3.1 Type-C connector is the same at both ends and on both sides. In addition to the 2 USB 3.1 Type-C ports, there are also 2 USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, and a microSD slot for extra storage.